Hi, welcome to No Grandma Glamma. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use some of the brands that I had on hand. I just haven't got around to use them. So this is a Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer Hydrating. And as far as my skin is just normal skin. All that's in there, so let that sit for a minute. So the foundations I'm going to use, it says Picture Perfect Cargo HD. It's another one. The colors I got them in is 7W and 8W. I should have looked up tutorials on it and I didn't. The music you most likely hearing is something that my husband probably produced. Most likely it is. He's a music producer, so I'll be playing a lot of his music while I do my makeup tutorials. I usually color correct. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little correcting. I'm gonna use that Benefit Born. And this is in the number 3. And use my ring fingers to blend them out. Maybe I can put just a little bit more on. I probably have to even use a brush or something. I just use this little elf brush. There's nothing on there. Just a little taper brush from elf. So I'm patting and spreading as I go. And if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at my mirror. I'm using the was it the W8, the darker one, from Cargo. So I'm gonna use that. This is how it came out. I'm gonna use I believe this is my Paris Hilton brush. I'm pretty sure with this writing, it's her brush. I like using this brush, even though it's coming loose. I like this brush. This look dark though. Nice. It look really dark, right? Yeah, look at that. That's dark. Yeah, you know, I don't do full coverage no way, so let's just see. Okay, it's all blended out. I'm gonna go with my sponge now. This is a dry sponge. I'm not gonna wet it yet. I'm just gonna go in. So just picking up any excess foundation. I'm gonna use this Marc Jacobs concealer. It's light, very light. So hopefully I won't crazy. I don't know the color. All I see is a 3. I don't know if that's the number. Let me see. Oh, 2 Alive. Remarkable. That's what it says. 2 Alive Remarkable. So I'm going to find that same brush I was using. That's what color it looks like. I'm grinding for the both of us to better our lives. You see what I'm doing? I'm using that dark foundation basically as my contour while lighting my highlight areas. And I'm using my little water just to put on there. And blend this on out. Up so it won't crease. The blender is what takes up all the video. Let me find someone else to set this with. That's fine. I'm gonna set it with my Rebecca fine. This is the Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation. I'm gonna set that with that. This is the color of it. I get my little brush, my Real Technique brush. I love this brush to set with. So I got this from, I forgot, TJ Maxx or Marshall. It says Rock the Croc eyeshadow palette. It got like, I guess, Rock the Croc names. It got Milkshake, Pool Skirt, Drive-In, Cadillac, Jitterbug, Vinyl, Sock Hop Twist, Rockabilly, Dio, Live, Jukebox, Jive. I'm sorry, this is Jay's Jive. I'm sorry. That's how it looks. Right. So let me find me a matte color, a little. Maybe let's go into with that Sock Hop. And it's going. We can either go in with Milkshake or I'm going with that Sock Hop. And I'm gonna go in with the vinyl. That's that chocolate. With that color, my crease. As soon as I find my little crease brush I want to use, go ahead and use this BH118 brush. And I'm sorry, I didn't see you guys the other brush I used. What is this? BB's. The brush I had used for the transition color. So I'm going with that vinyl. It's a dark chocolate. I'm gonna use that same brush. I'm going in with Jive just to see what that color do. That chocolate. So that's like a dark chocolate. This is like a milk chocolate. Let's see if it'll do anything in the crease. Okay. I'm gonna go in now with Poodle Skirt. It's like a pink shimmer. And I'm gonna get another brush. What brush is this? This is a e.l.f. brush, blending eye brush. And I'm gonna take that Poodle Skirt and put it here. Going with this BB234 brush. I'm gonna go into that Milkshake and blend all the colors in. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Volume Original mascara. I'm pretty sure it's black. It's R601, which is blackest. I'm gonna use this Curvature by Maybelline, and this is also in black. The words has basically just coming off of it. Mascara. I already curled my lashes. So let's go ahead and let's do a little smoke at the bottom. In my lash line, well, not in my lash line. We're gonna go back with that same dark chocolate, well, dark color, the dark chocolate color, the vinyl. Skirt. But let's go in with Cadillac. Let me show y'all guys Cadillac, okay? So the Poodle Skirt was there, and Cadillac is here. So I'm going, it's like a gold maybe. Okay, let's put some mascara at the bottom. See that? So let's go into this. I had picked this up also at Marshall. It's Dino. Is that plates? With a Z. You guys see it now? I don't know, it's like, maybe my lights will let y'all see. It's like, you see, there you go. And this is a trio. It says too cool for school. And it has your highlighter, blush, and shade. which I believe the shades of contour. So let's just go into these and see what this does. That might look a little light for contour for me, but let's just see. I'm taking my BB's 168 brush. And let's see if I can bronze up this face with this. I don't know if this is doing anything for me, to be honest. Just gonna set it. Let's see. On my nose with this BB203 brush. Let's see how it looks on my nose. I do a soft contour on my nose, so I don't know. Yeah, I see. Okay, yeah, I do. So let's go into this blush and highlight. You see, it got a name up there too. Like this little brush got some highlight in it, like some gold shimmers in it. And then highlight time. I'm gonna take my Morphe M441 brush and put some highlight on my face. It's a nice little subtle highlight. I don't know. Let's wet it. I'm gonna wet it just to see. Let's wet it with coconut, of course, rose. Yeah, you see it better now. Yeah. You see it better now. Yes. Okay, it's coming through, but it's making you work kind of hard for it. I just sprayed it. You're working that hard for a highlight. A little bit. I'm gonna use my BB's 195 brush to go underneath my my brow bone.
Hi, welcome to No Glamma Glamma. So here we're doing it again. Basically, I am a Glamma. I like my makeup.
So this is what this okay, but it go back in the drawer. The blush is okay. The contour, I don't think it did anything because I already had the dark foundation on from Cargo. So this is what it is. So I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills. I believe it's Naked. Yes, it is. It's Naked. Smashbox also is Plum Rose. So this is the finished look. This is a wig that my mom bought me. You know, I'm into my bright colors, but my mom bought me this one. I'm digging it. I'm digging the colors. I'm digging the style. It's kind of wow, but wow in a good way. Wow in a cute way. So, I feel like I need some lip gloss. Hold on. I'm gonna take this BB's from the Liquid Vault Crystal Gloss, and this is in 02. I don't know what that means, but I don't know. I just gotta need some gloss on it. Let me just see. So with the gloss or without the gloss, still hit the subscribe button. I like it. I like that, and I see the glow more now since the hair went down. So let me show you guys a picture of this hair. My mom said she spent $100 and some on this hair. It came in this box like this. And I guess you can braid it. It's called Brown Sugar. It's a human hair style mix. That's the color I have. So it's an okay wig. I like it. It's light. I like the cut of it. So yeah. Anyway, hit that button and Glamma. No, Glamma. Have a nice one.